recette, and today we are preparing for Valentine's Day with a chocolate fondant. Fondant au chocolat. I also wanted to start this video by wishing a happy Chinese New Year to all of my Chinese friends and everybody watching worldwide. 新年快乐 everybody! May this year be prosperous and very generous too. Let's come back to the video now. Valentine's Day is coming soon, in a matter of a few days. For those with short memory loss, it's on February 14th. You can thank me later. Valentine's Day is synonym of hearts, chocolate, you know, all this good stuff, right? To prepare for the chocolate fondant, look at this accent. You will need 200 grams of dark chocolate and butter, 4 eggs, 60 grams of pie flour with yeast. So if you don't have pie flour, you just use all-purpose flour with 1 pack of yeast. But it's just easier to use the adequate flour for that. 100 grams of powdered sugar and a tiny bit of icing sugar for the end. If you enjoyed the video, please do push a thumb up. Subscribe to the video, it's always such a great pleasure to have newcomers. And turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started now. Let's get started.
Break 4 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks.
Yeah, this one has malformation. It was open already. I will put it somewhere else and use it for something else. It's bad karma, that's not possible. I just know what's happening today. One of the yolks is opened.
Then add 100 grams of powdered sugar to the yolk recipient. Mix with an electric mixer the yolks and sugar until the mixture turns white, light yellow if you wish. Add 60 grams of pie flour to the yolk mixture. Mix the whole thing, yada yada yada.
Okay, now it's time to melt 200 grams of dark chocolate as well as 200 grams of butter.
Then prepare 200 grams of dark chocolate in a pan.
Woohoo! Done.
And don't Don't forget to prepare 200 grams of butter in a pan too.
Oh my gosh.
Then prepare the bain-marie if you do not have an induction hob like me.
Time to melt them.
Pour water into a bigger pan than your chocolate and butter ones and fill it up until the bottom of your smaller pan touch the water. Make it boil and place the chocolate pan inside the water pan and make sure also to choose a chocolate pan that is big enough to stay put without you holding it all the time. If your pan is too small, it will fall in the water and then you will have chocolate mixed with water, which is very bad. Your chocolate will be lumpy and progressively harden. You will need to try it again with another pan and another chocolate. So you really need to choose your pan wisely, my friend. It needs to be big enough to hold on its own.
Time for the butter.
You can now melt the batter. Remember what I said about the pan previously? Well, this will apply here, so keep an eye out.
I will do something I've never done before. I'm going to remove the water from the butter with paper towel. I want my luck back. What kind of fiasco is this?
I'm just going to warm up a little bit more the chocolate now that the butter has melted.
It smells so good. I want to eat chocolate now. But I can't, otherwise we will not have enough for the cake.
Set the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius on a conventional oven. Then pour the melted chocolate to the yolk recipient while slowly adding the melted butter. Mix with a wooden spoon. Do not replicate what I'm doing here. I'm just showing you how messed up it would be if you were to use the electric mixer instead. Leave it on the side and wait until we use it again for the whites.
Here, I just wanted to show you how messed up it can be if you continue with the electric spinner. You need the wooden spoon. The dough is too compact, otherwise you will not be able to work with this. How will I be able to finish the cake? It's torture. So good. I'm sorry, but I can't resist you. Let me search for a spatula. I'm going to search for a napkin. Voilà, they're now working.
Be Beat the eggs white until stiff. It needs to look like a fluffy cloud. The color will slowly change from light yellow to pure white. As soon as you can see the blender leaving traces behind and forming a peak as soon as you take it off, it means the egg whites are ready. This is one of the most important parts of the cake preparation, so I will stress you out to make sure that the egg whites are stiff. Otherwise, the cake will not be as breathable or soft as it should be. Now you can incorporate them into the yolk recipient. Butter the cake pan/mold in order for the cake not to be sticky once you remove it from the mold. Finally, pour the chocolate mixture into the mold.
Oops. Let's cook it. Woo!
Place it in the oven for 18 minutes.
This is so hot. 18 minutes from now. Set the alarm in 18 minutes.
I've turned on your 1638 alarm.
Check out it's baked by placing a knife in the center of the cake. If the knife comes back clean, then it's baked. Spill the cake and ice it with icing sugar, or with whatever you wish to decorate it with.
I'm burning my fingers. So cute.
Congratulations and enjoy your cake!
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so fluffy. I succeeded the white part of the egg, you know. It feels like I'm eating a cloud, literally. And if you want to add something on top of it, don't add chocolate, it's too much, we already tried it. Just use custard if you wish. When I prepare cake, I don't like to add icing. The cake in itself is already enough. And the best part is you can save it in an aluminium paper and it will soften even more. It will be delicious too. So, hope you enjoy it. I wish you a wonderful day.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know